hard to sleep around here, huh, Ace?
Oh, morning, everyone. Hey, Rex, good day for a catch. Whoa, what's up? You look terrible.
Thank you. I couldn't sleep a wink with all that noise outside.
I didn't hear anything. What do you mean?
What? Are you telling me you didn't hear any of that super loud construction going on all night long?
I guess I didn't. Did you, Chomp?
Well, that must be nice. I wish I could be as oblivious to every single thing that's going on around me like you seem to be.
Yeah, Chomp slept great too, right? What are you getting all upset for, Rex? I mean, it's just noise. Who cares, right?
I'll tell you who cares. Me. Maybe if you weren't so clueless, you would too.
Oh, yeah? Well, it's better than being uptight like you.
And if you weren't so clueless, I could explain to you why it's not better.
All right. That's enough now. Time to eat. Excuse me for getting a good night's sleep.
You sleep so much, your brain's gonna rot.
Because it's important for a kid to get at least 10 hours sleep, right, Mom?
Could you two relax at least while you're eating? Otherwise you're going to have very bad stomach aches.
Fine, but Rex started it.
No, you did!
Just finish your breakfast.
Huh?
I don't like it down here. Are you sure we're in the right place?
According to Dr. Z, an ankylosaurus was detected right in this area.
Oh, that's comforting. You mean the same man who blows up his own laboratory every other week?
Yep, that's our fearless leader.
Let's keep looking. We can't go back empty-handed.
What's that? Is this part of an old subway car or something?
It's a dinosaur!
That was close! I almost lost my head!
Lucky you didn't. I wouldn't be able to hit you.
Now let's go tail that dinosaur!
But Ursula, it already has a tail!
It's just a figure of speech, Ed.
Reese, where's the dinosaur?
Underground in our city.
Hey, where's Dr. Taylor?
I'm not sure. He said something about a very important errand.
Come to think of it, I haven't seen Dad all morning.
And you just realized that now? There's Max being totally clueless again.
Knock it off, Rex! I am not!
Just call it as I see it.
You argue more than Reese and I, and we're sisters. Now cut it out!
What's she talking about? I don't have time for silly little arguments. She'll hear about this later.
Look at that!
Do you think maybe it was the dinosaur that did it?
I wonder if it tried to come above ground but got scared, so then it went back underground again.
Let's go look for it!
Hey Max, you go that way, and I'll look over here.
Why don't we all go together?
I'm sure Max wouldn't want to look for it with an uptight guy like me.
That's fine with me. Come on, Chomp.
Let's go, Ace.
Oh, this is ridiculous. Wait for me, Max. I'm coming with you.
Welcome to our annual Big Bargain Sale. Today only you'll find our outdoor adventure merchandise at prices so low we're practically giving them away.
I've waited so long for this day to come!
And let the sale begin!
Out of my way, move it or lose it, buddy! An infrared dino grill! I've always wanted a dinosaur tent! I don't believe it! My very own dinosaur egg-shaped pillow! Yes!
Thank you, sir. See you next year.
Oh yeah, what a score! Whoa, an ankylosaurus! Oh man, why didn't I bring my lasso?
Hey, dinosaur! Where are you? Come on out!
It's pretty smelly down here, isn't it?
Really? That's funny. I don't smell anything.
What? Well, now I can totally see what Rex was talking about.
Huh? Did you say something?
No, I didn't say anything.
Hey, there it is!
Looks like an ankylosaurus.
Let's go!
Hold it! Those brats have followed us here again!
And this is as far far as you're gonna go.
That's what you think, old lady.
You make it very hard for me to be nice!
Calm down. Remember your breathing exercises.
That dinosaur is ours, so you can all go home now.
Forget it! We're here for the dinosaur! Let's go, chump! That's what you think!
Time for Alpha Gang to turn up the pressure.
It's too strong! There's no way to get through!
Well, if you can't go with the flow, you should just go. Come on.
Hey, come back! Is there a different way we can go?
We could try going from above.
Hey, Ankylosaurus!
Look! There's my dad!
You'd better pretend that you're a dog, Ace. All right, here we go, doggy. Be a good boy, no barking. We can look for that dinosaur from here. I wonder where we are.
What have we got up ahead? Did the tunnel collapse or something? What the? I'm getting out of here! Ah! What kind of creature is that?
Where is it? Whoa! It's an Ankylosaurus! Oh no! My dino holder! It'll be all right, Ace! Just hang on to me! Huh? Now what was that?
Amazing how much less stressful traveling can be when you have some good music to listen to.
Great, the Alpha Gang is here.
Not again. There's another one of those brats up ahead.
Finally, an excuse to stop.
Maybe we could take a little lunch break.
Right after we catch the Ankylosaurus and the kid and his dinosaur. Ed, initiate capture!
Go, Cychania!
Did you hear that?
Yeah, it sounds like a battle's going on somewhere.
We've gotta go find it!
Go, Cychania! Get your man! Surround it and pound it because you can! Yay!
Maybe we can sneak out through the front of the train. It sounds like the other dinosaur is gone.